It's just a regular old Tuesday here. Sorry, what day is it? Thursday.
Yes.
Zoe's pretty happy about things.
She likes the kitty cat.
What you think, Zoe? What else? Here's Singa.
Here's the kitty cat.
Sing. Singa is eternally wanting to go outside. Come here, kitty. Come on. And Annie, Shani, and I are here hanging out. Just
Watching Zoe.
watching the Zoe.
Kitty.
Myra and the kitty.
Kitty.
What do you say, Zoe? And? Ah! We've got a little Duran Duran going in the background.
Oh my goodness.
What Oh my word. I don't know if we're prepared for you to be a screamer, so. Uh-huh. What else? It's very excited. Let's see. Can you say hi to Mom?
Say mama.
I know. What else? Oh, good night. I suppose we're encouraging this, huh?
Little.
Yeah. What else? Are you going to be quiet now? No? Can you tell us about your day? You had a couple naps. Okay.
What else?
Yeah?
Where's the kitty cat?
Are you done? Where's Singa?
Where's the kitty cat?
Where's our friend?
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
You want to come say hi?
Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Here it comes, Zoe. Here comes the kitty. Here comes your new friend. What was that little shimmy? Are you done? Here's the kitty. Here he is. Here he comes. Look at him. There he is. What'd you think? All right, signing off.
Oh, that's
Here from Green Lake Townshipville.